Ooh, graph paper is going to really help you today if you have some graph paper. You can survive without it, but I love graph paper. So, anyways, we're on page 978. You only have one page to do today. Oh my goodness. Number one. Nan and Sato are designing a coffee table using 4-inch tiles. I'm guessing that it means it's 4 inches by 4 inches if they're square. Let's just assume that, because otherwise, Nan uses 30 tiles and Sato uses half as many. What's half of 30? 30 divided by 2. Exactly. How many total tiles did they use? Add those two numbers together. 30 plus a half of 30 equals exactly. If the area of the table is 36 inches by 24 inches, will they have enough tiles to cover the table? If not, how many more will they need? Sounds like they don't have enough from the way they ask the question. Okay, 36 inches by 24 inches. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to grab my graph paper, and I'm going to pretend that each one of these squares is 4 inches by 4 inches. I'm going to declare that is 4 inches. So now I'm going to draw the table. That's 36 by 24. How many 4s can I put into 36? 4 times what is 36? 4 times 9 is 36. So I'm going to make, there's 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Doop. And then by 24, how many 4s in 24? 6. We're going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now all I have to do is, that's one side, that's one side. I'm going to just go like that. You're going to really look this time. Now I got it. Inside there, how many, this was 9 tiles? 9 times 4, and this was 6 times 4. Tiled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many tiles are in there? How many 4 by 4 spaces? There are 9 times 6 spaces. 9 times 6, is that more than they have tiles for? You added 30 plus a half of 30 and you got what? And now, this is the space you need to put it in. You have 9 times 6, you have. So what's the difference between those numbers? They are going to need a few more. Not that many more. They're close. They're close. Nan and Sato. Number 2, the Jones family is landscaping their rectangular yard. Their yard is 160 square feet, and on one side is 10 feet long. What is the length of the other side of the yard? All right. Here's the yard. It's a rectangle. Do, 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 do. It is, one side is 10, the other side is unknown, x, the unknown. 10 times x equals 10 times x equals 160. What's x? Remember, when you multiply by 10, you're just adding a 0 to what you're multiplying it by. So therefore, the other side is exactly. And then they want to plant 3 1-foot by 1-foot trees. What the heck is a 1-foot by 1-foot tree? A square tree? I don't understand. They need to be 3 feet apart and 3 feet away from the fence around the yard. Will they have the space? Oh, heck, they're going to have this space. Put 3 trees in there, and there's one. How many? These are, 3, 3, 3. It's a weird question, trees. Anyways, this one, just tell me what x is. Tell me what this other side is. That's really all I have to do in that one. Number 3, Billy is organizing his closet. About time, Billy. He has clothing bins that measure 20 inches high, 18 inches wide, and 14 inches deep. What is the greatest number of bins he can fit in a 60-inch high closet that is 36 inches deep and 72 inches wide? Well, boy, it is. What do we got here? I'm gonna switch, I think, back to here. Ugh. All right. His clothing bins. Do. 3 dimensions. 20 inches high. It's 20. 18 wide. How deep? 14 inches deep. The closet is 60 inches high. And 36 inches deep. And 72 inches wide. That was very wide. Very wide. It's a weird closet. It's wider than it's taller. One of those weird little closets. How many of these can we fit in here? Does he really want to fit them? Does he want to be just jam-packed? Again, does not make any sense, this question. It's okay. Height-wise, these are 20 high. This is 60 high. In theory, how many of those could you put in? You could put 3 in there. It's 18 inches wide. It's 72. How many 18s can you put in 72? That's easy. Exactly 4. 4 times 18 is 72. So 1 layer. Okay, and then it's 14 deep. It's 36 inches deep. How many 14s can you fit into 36? Well, 3 times 14 is too much. 3 times 14 is 42, so you can only put in 2. And now you're just going to multiply those 3 numbers, the 3, the 4, and the 2, and find out how many. If you just packed them in there and the only thing in there was his clothing bins, I would say, Billy, maybe not have so many clothes. 3 times 4 times 2 is the answer to that question. Last one for today. Nice simple day. Bob is organizing his pantry. If he has cracker boxes as shown, how many boxes can he fit on a 20-inch long shelf that is 14 inches deep? Boy, he's he likes graham crackers a lot. It is 14 inches deep, so you could. It's 20 inches long. How many boxes can he fit? That's a weird question. Well, 20 inches long. You could fit. Okay, it's 2 inches long. This is 10 inches, so you could fit 2 of those for every leg. Just like pack them in there, and it's 14 inches deep. So in every 14 inches, you could fit 7. So you could have 7 rows of 2. 7 times 2 is, yeah, exactly 14. Yeah, that's a lot of boxes of crackers. Weird questions today. That's it. Today's just weird questions. Your test on Friday is going to be about volume of this kind of stuff. It's going to be multiplication on Friday, just to warn you. So, there it is. That's it for today. Bye.